Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can create animation in Canva and CapCut without animation skills. So first step, you can open canva.com first. You can create a design. It's up to you. For example, you want to create a video here. So here you can try to search the media. You can click on elements. You can search the elements here. For example, a bird flying. You can choose the bird that you want. And also don't forget to adjust background color into the green screen like this. So after this done, just create a simply animation like this. You can share it and download it. So you can download and wait at the progress. And now you can create project here and open the CapCut and use the stock material. For example, here you can search the cloud here, for example, and then you can import that animation that we already downloaded from Canva. So you can remove background. You can use a custom removal like this, or you can use a chroma key. It will be like this. So after that, you can try to add animation. You can use combination here, or fall left like this, or sway in, pan right. So it is up to you. So feel free to try create some simple animation using Canva and CapCut. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and also click the button below. See you in the next video.